You are getting, so here, oops, here, okay, we can do that. It's your day, and I'm going to open it up. Oops, hang on, open it up. Let's eat cake. So this moves. This moves. See that? Here's another one. It comes with It's Your Day. Look at this. Let's eat cake. Look at that little koala. He's like climbing up a tree or something. Isn't that cute? Let's eat cake. Let's eat cake. Now imagine having a gift card right on here. Wouldn't that be so fun having a gift card on there? It's your day. Let's eat cake. There's another one. So let's look at this one. Ready? We're going to open this one up, pull, and it has a little die. And you know what? I'm going to show you that just so you can see it. But it has a little die that says pull, and I'm going to open this up. Let's eat cake. Let's eat cake. Isn't that cute? Now, what I recommend is going like this a couple times before you send it, just to kind of get it like the memory, the cardstock memory going so it really starts moving. But look how cute that is. Let's eat cake. I love the colors on that one. Yvette, I love those colors. Okay, here's another one. Die, cut, and glue, you guys. Cheers to another year. You're not getting old. You're becoming a legend. Birthday wishes. How fun. Now, also, this is A2. You could put this right on top of an A2 card base and have it open to be a card as well, right? But look how cute that is. Isn't it awesome? Here's another one. Snowman. This is our new snowman. Just were released. They were just released. They're on the website. Ready? Winter wishes. It's snow fun. Look how he is grabbing. Look at how he is grabbing those snowballs. Ready? Ready? What? What? Isn't that cool? I absolutely love that. That's so fun. Here's another one. It's your day. Now, vertical or horizontal, right? You can do vertical or horizontal. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. It's your day. Let's eat cake. It's your day. Let's eat cake. Here's another one. It's your day. Ready? Open this up. And it says make a wish. Isn't that cute? Now, I know a lot of you are saying, okay, Stephanie, that looks really cool, but there is no way I could ever make that, right? No way I could ever make that. Well, my loves, don't worry, because I'm going to show you how easy it is to do. So what you're going to do, and this was actually my sample. So what you're going to do is you're going to die cut the biggest one. You're going to die cut the biggest one, right? The biggest one is always the most important, right? So you're going to die cut this. And then, of course, the die scores it for you. So you're going to fold it like that. And you're going to fold this one like this. Just like that. Do not glue it yet. Do not glue it yet. Now, you could, okay, you guys, let me just be honest with you. This layering die, I had to make 4 different samples of this layering die because I couldn't get it right. I couldn't get it right. And it took forever to make sure because I had to have a slit here and a slit on this one. So I can go ahead and die cut this one. I'm just going to run it through the die cut machine really quick so we can get an idea. Let's lay that down and let's run this through. And so what I want to do is just show you how awesome this layering die is because it took me so many tries to get it right. I felt so bad for the factory, but I couldn't get it right. So here we go. So here's that slit. See that little slit right there? Look at this. We're going to lay this right on there so it's going to line up and boom, it lines up perfectly on that. So now I still have that, okay? Right there. So now what I'm going to do, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to die cut this random piece, okay? It looks like pretty much nothing, right? It looks like pretty much nothing. I'll be honest. It really does. I get it. And what you're going to do is you're going to die cut the inside piece. And I don't want to die. We're going to run out of time if I die cut all of this. But you're going to die cut this inside piece. And all that is this other rectangle right here. You're going to die cut this rectangle piece. And you are going to glue this little tab onto it. So what I like to do is I like to put adhesive on this, close it up. Let me show you. Adhesive on this little flap. You're going to put adhesive on this little flap, right? And you're going to have your card in there. You're going to tuck, actually, I should just do it right now so you guys can see. But we're going to tuck it in there, get it exactly where I want it to be, and then you're going to adhere it. Whoops, I had it going the wrong way. Sorry. You're going to adhere it because you want to adhere it to the inside card, okay? You're going to adhere it to this on the inside. And then, there we go. Hang on, let me get it in there. There we go. And then it's going to slide. Once it's adhered, it's going to slide. And then this big piece, why is it so large and in charge? Because if you wanted to put something larger, you would need something big. You would need a big tab here, right? So you're going to glue that right on top. And let me glue that really quick for you just so you can see it. And you know what? I think we're going to end up doing a crafting corner on this eventually too. So if I'm going too fast, it's okay. Don't worry. I will do another one. Trying to get it on there because I tore this one apart to show you. So I'm going to lay that right on there. Boom. And then it's going to slide. Okay. Really, 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 really easy. Now, what if the item you want to put on front is smaller than that big tab? You can do a couple things. One, you can do it the opposite way. So you can put the big part on the inside, or you can just trim it down. Just trim it down. That's probably the easiest. So there you go. So that is the A2 slider. It is on Black Friday special.